Ito po si Nico na nagbabartending po. Oo.
Ayun yun. Pahinga o Pahinga o Pag-iti o. O hindi nga agad.
Chef, saan po gawa po yung inyo pong juice na yan?
Di sa toyo and soy and calamansi flavor with rice.
Ano po yung nilagay niyo pong yan?
That is the tissue.
Tama tama.
That's tissue.
Ano ba po?
Look this. And it's the other soy sauce with the calamansi
And,
and celery. Wanna try it now? It's the best beer ever.
ano po tawag po sa ginagawa niyo pong yan? Bartending. So, nag-exhibition po kayo. Ba't pare-pares po yung ginagawa niyo? Bakit niyo po kinalog? Bakit niyo po kinalog?
To shake the
To mix it well?
yeah. So, yeah.
Yes. Po natin.
Yeah.
So, paano po yung design po niyan? Bago po i-serve? Ano po yan? Latak?
Yeah. Shake. Yes. 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 Look at the camera. It's the look. It's the lemon.
Lemon.
Lime yan, hindi lemon.
And this is the straw. Wanna try it now?
So, it's finished. Is it clean?
Yes. Please, baby.
You wash it?
Yeah, I wash it.
So, can Eric taste it?
Okay.
Eric, taste. Eric, taste it. Come on. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
EJ, don't be shy. Just taste it. I know that you want that. Don't be shy, EJ.
Look, where's alive?
Pwede, ilapit sa akin. Dali, ilapit mo. Yan po ang ginawa po ni Nicole. Makikita po natin, ni Chef Nicole po, meron po yung sile, mga kalamansi at kanin-kanin.
Issue.
At ito po, lime po, pero sa totoo po ay kalamansi. Yan po. Why, Shake?